Electric loader or electric loading vehicle. An electric loader vehicle, also known as an electric loader or electric loading vehicle, is a type of vehicle that is powered by electricity and designed for the purpose of loading and transporting goods, materials, or equipment within various settings such as warehouse, construction sites, factories, and more. These vehicles are environmentally friendly compared to traditional diesel or gasoline-powered loaders, as they produce zero tailpipe emissions and contribute to lower noise pollution. Electric loader vehicles can come in various forms, including electric forklifts. These are electric-powered industrial trucks equipped with forks at the front for lifting and moving pallets, containers, and other heavy objects. Electric load haul dump (LHD) vehicles, used in mining and construction. These vehicles are designed to scoop, transport, and dump materials in underground mining operations. Electric skid steer loaders, compact electric loaders with a small turning radius, used for tasks like digging, lifting, and moving materials in confined spaces. Electric wheel loaders. These larger loaders are designed for heavy-duty tasks in construction and material handling, capable of carrying significant loads. Electric utility vehicles. Electric versions of utility vehicles used in a variety of industries, including maintenance, agriculture, and more. Automated guided vehicles, AGVs. These are autonomous electric vehicles used for material transportation in warehouse and manufacturing facilities. Electric pallet jacks, smaller electric vehicles designed for moving pallets and other materials short distances, commonly used in warehouse and retail settings. The benefits of electric loader vehicles include reduced operating costs due to lower energy expenses and maintenance requirements, as well as the positive environmental impact of using clean energy sources. Keep in mind that the availability and features of electric loader vehicles can vary based on manufacturers and specific applications. If you are looking for specific models, manufacturers, or further information, feel free to provide more details, and I'll be happy to assist you further.